Brandon with the dentconnection.com here in Marble Falls, Texas, and we're going to do a little paintless dent repair. And this whole video is about a little bit to teach you what paintless dent repair is, what we can do here at Dent Connection Highland Dent Repair, and so that way you'll know why you want to choose paintless dent repair in the first place versus going to a conventional body shop. But the main reasons are, number one is that we're going to save the factory paint. If you still have your factory paint on your vehicle, we're not going to alter that. So that's going to retain the value of your vehicle. You're not going to have any car history reporting like Carfax that says it's been repainted. It won't be repainted when you get ready to trade it. You know, they'll see that nothing's been altered. And the whole point of that is just that we want the dent to go away, and we weren't even there. Nobody was there. Nobody needs to know about it. It never happened. Obviously, then, you know, it's repair time. Our repair time is way faster than conventional repair. It could be a matter of minutes, a matter of hours, or if it's something really bad, like a really bad hailstorm or something, that damage could take longer, 1 to 3 days, typically. So then there's that. And then there's the cost advantage. And, you know, since we're not replacing parts, and we're strictly just labor, and we're faster, we can do those repairs for less than a body shop. So there's lots of pluses. But this video here is just to show you a little bit about some of the damage that we're going to fix here on this Ram truck. And I'll go over it. I'll bring the camera in a little bit, show you what we're going to be fixing. And then I'll film a little bit of how I'm fixing it with the tools and things that we use in paintless dent repair. And so you kind of get an idea of what we're really talking about. You know, it's not a bunch of magic or anything like that. It's just labor and specially designed set of tools and training, and we can get some great results. We can't save everything. Some things still have to go to a body shop, obviously. I mean, it has its limits. But if you can get it done this way, this would be the best choice. And insurance prefers it to go this way too. They also want to save money, but they also want to keep the vehicle as original as possible. The less altered that vehicle is, you know, it's just better all the way around for everybody.
All right, this is the left bed side of that Ram truck, and I'll put some other lights on it. You can see it here in a minute, one of our repair lights, but you can see it has a pretty big crease right over the wheel well, and there's even a little bit of space right here. I can stick my finger in, but the bed's pushed in so far that I can stick my finger in there. This is not lined up properly. And there is a scratch in there. We're gonna get some paint touch-up done on this one because it's a little bit more severe, but we're still not gonna repaint anything for this. And then there also is another little dent right in here. Can't really see it that well, but I'll put the light on it in a little bit. But there's that. And we're gonna go over to the other side. We have a door ding in the right front door. And it's a pretty good size door ding, typical door ding. So we'll go over the repairs here in just a second. This is with our repair light on there, and you can kind of see the damage there a little bit better. Go down here to this other dent right there. You can see it's a little crease. You know, he brushed up against something there and put little linear dents in there on this particular one. But you can see it hit it pretty good. And I'll bring it in from the other angle here in just a second.
Now, I didn't show that in the video yet, but I went ahead and removed the plastic bed cap, and I've also removed the tail light. Now it'll give me more access to get my tools in here or from over here to get behind the damage right here and slowly start working this dent out.
All right, now you can see our finished product, and this is with the paint touch-up and buffing and gotten rid of most of the scratches. You can see that how clean it is, no repaint, everything's looking good. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website at www.dentconnection.com or give us a call at 830-660-0580.